Gas turbo. All the sheet metal was a flat piece of metal. I made all this, all this.
Like where? Over there?
On the pull-max machine there, the polishing hammer.
It's gonna take fucking hours.
Yeah, it does. It takes a long time. And this motor, he's probably got just no labor, but about 19 grand in the motor. It should...
No labor.
No labor, just parts. And this thing, with everything that we did, they said that we should be at 250 all day long on the dyno to the rear wheel.
How are you gonna hold on to that?
Yeah, I have no idea. This.
Yeah, I saw the picture in the back.
The lights.
Yeah.
The blinkers and.
I love the way you did this. I love the way you did that.
And then this is the Barnett lockup clutch. This thing will hold over 400 horsepower. No springs. These things come out and they lock it up. And so.
Where's the seat for it?
It's not done yet. The seat pan is done. But you can see the seat's going to fit in here.
Right.
And in this slot. It's going to be, all leather.
I love the matte black wheels. I like the wheels.
These wheels, you notice the wheels? PM did these wheels for me and then powder coated it. See how it's smooth here, but and everything on the bike's that way. Right. See this? Everything on the bike's like that. Matte gloss.
Right.
Everything.
Right.
And that's the Mikuni calendar right there. Both those bikes are mine. I had 2 bikes in the same month. On there. I built that bike in my garage. That was the first cover bike that I had, and I was still in my garage when I built that for my wife. And then there's a bike that I did with a blower hanging off the side of it. That thing was crazy. And there's the bike that my wife rode that was undercover. Most of the time, when you get a cover of a magazine, no one else wants anything to do with it. It's old news. And that year, I had the cover of Barnett and the cover of Easy Rider with that bike.
So they got one shot per bike.
Yeah, well, it's like old news. What do they want? Someone else shot it.
Yeah. Same with architecture.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So
you got pick what magazine to get it.
Right. Yeah. And that's the cover of the Hot Bike magazine. Right there. And there's the Triumph that I built for the biker build-off. Triumph gave me that bike. And it was a rocket free and we made that out of it. Wow. And we only had 3 months to do it. If you met the timeline in 3 months, you got to keep the bike. But it didn't mean you won, you just got to keep it. So we did that, we got it done. You can see the back. We had to. That was a shaft drive bike that we converted to a chain to run that, and it had a differential under the seat with the disc brake and an airbag under the seat.
How do you engineer all that?
It was just by the seat of my pants.
You just cowboy it.
Yeah, that's all it was. That's all it was.
And how many times when you cowboy this stuff?
There's your buddy Russell Mitchell right there, and there's me on the same magazine.
So how often?